me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today I will be unboxing February's BoxyCharm Premium box. So if you guys are interested in what I got in this month's box and how I got this eye look here using the eyeshadow palette that came in this month's box, then please keep on watching. So I have the box right here. I did go inside. I did an eye look with it, so you guys know I already opened it. I already know what's inside. But I have not actually, like, I just got all the makeup stuff and there really wasn't that much makeup stuff, so I could do this look. But I'm gonna actually go in and actually, you know, give you my thoughts and stuff. So this month's theme is XOXO, same as all the boxes across the board. They never, you know, do anything different. It's one theme for all the boxes. I have variation 210 or C210 2342-PM. So let's just jump right in. The first thing that we got in this month's box is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palettes. This retails for $29. This I used creating this eye look here. So if you guys are interested, that'll be towards the end of the video. I thought this palette was super cute. I was hoping for the pink one, but I'm happy with the purple. I ain't mad about it. Ain't mad about it at all. Super cute. Retails again for 29 bucks. Then we have the Pure Submerge Overnight Detox Anti-Pollution Moisturizer, which is this little box right here. I never used Pure Skincare. This one retails for $34. It says deeply nourish and help purify your skin overnight with this overnight anti-pollution moisturizer that drastically helps reduce the appearance of dry skin, fine lines, wrinkles with intense hydration and anti-pollution technology. Now in the previous box, we did also get a night cream or a night mask. So I'm not mad about the skincare. I just never used Pure, so I'm a little hesitant to try that. And again, that one's for $34. Then we have the I can't talk, I'm sorry. We have the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops, which is this right here. This retails for 60 bucks. What? So is this a liquid highlighter? Because I could have used that today and I didn't even know. Honestly, I didn't even know. Oh, wow. That is, okay, that is pink. I'm not sure how it's picking up on camera. In the viewfinder, it looks a little mauvey, purpley, but in person, it's like baby pink. That is super cute. I don't typically, yeah, oh my God. I don't typically use liquid highlighters. Oh, okay. I just wiped on my fingers. I'm sorry, you guys, because typically I will give stuff away, but I'm just gonna put that all in my, I mean, I still have a little bit of glitter, but, ooh, I got it on my nose, shoot. It has a weird scent. Oh, I don't like that. It's, ooh, what is that smell? I don't know. Okay, that retails for 60 bucks. Illuminate complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new soft focus glow drops. The skincare makeup hybrid, okay, is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. Well, what kind of skincare is in here then? Antioxidant working for, this is not in English, is this? I don't know. That's in German? Oh my God. It just says antioxidant for benefit for healthy looking skin. Okay. This is a UK product. Interesting. I'm interested to try it though, just because it, I mean, I have oily skin though, so I don't know. It didn't look glitterily. It didn't have a glitter effect to it. So I'm kind of intrigued and I want to try that. But if you guys think I should put this in a giveaway, let me know, because I won't touch anything till I know. But anyway, moving on. The next item is the Odacite, I don't think I said that right, Blue Aura Cleansing Water. So I'm assuming this is a makeup remover type thing. This retails for $39. It says a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying I can't read. I'm just gonna, it's some kind of herb, whatever. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin damaging pollutants before they take their toll. 39 bucks. Okay, so how to use. Moisten a cotton pad and gently sweep over face, avoiding eye area. No rinse necessary. So I want to say it's like a micellar water, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about that. Okay. Then we have the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. This retails for $24. Is this a liquid? Let's see, I don't. Okay, so it has a felt tip. I'm all about eyeliners. I really like the Patrick Star one that came out, and it has a pencil, so it's dual-ended. Very nice, very nice. If you guys are interested in certain things out of this month's box, let me know, because I will end up putting it, like, I have so many eyeliners, I don't know, I might not even keep this. But that one retails for $24. And then the last one is Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Long Wearing Sticky Pigment Base. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place. Okay, so a maximize color and pearl with pearl dimension. I could have used this today, honestly, and I didn't even know. But I don't typically use eyeshadow primer, so that will be definitely going in a giveaway box. And that one retails for $15. Base box was eh. This box was better than base box, so I'm happy because I got some good. There's some good skincare stuff. I have the eyeshadow palettes. I'm probably going to just put the eyeshadow primer in a giveaway unless you guys are interested. I know I did open it and I had to wipe away a little bit, but if that doesn't bother you, let me know, and I will probably put this in a giveaway box, just because I have oily skin, so I'm like, is this really gonna work for me? I don't know. Everything else I would keep. But yeah, so this box was better. I feel that it could have been a little better, but it wasn't a flop, so I'm happy with that. So I'm hoping next month, being that we have Luxe and Base coming out, I don't get premium. No, I'll have premium and Luxe. So I'm hoping the Luxe will be, you know, kind of making up for, I don't know. It was better than the Base, but I feel overall with both boxes, everything could have been better. I don't know, that's just me. I feel like last month was way better. I feel like last month's box was way better for both boxes than this box. That's just my thoughts. Don't come at me. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in the eye look, it's gonna come out right now, and then that will be the ending of this video. So, all right, guys, let's get into the eye look. So I'm just, I did my full face. The only thing I did not do was obviously lips. I did my brows. I have my base for the eyeshadow, and I have a little powder underneath just in case if there's any fallout. So just opening up this palette here. And we have the Pastels Lilac palette. If I could just open this. These are what the shades are looking like. I'm a little nervous just because I don't really use pastels, guys. I don't use pastels. But we're gonna try it out, and I like this swirly color looks, where is that? This swirly color looks really, really interesting, and I kind of want to swatch it. And that's what that little swirly color looks like. I don't know if you guys can see if it's picking up on camera. Everything is really light and pastel-y. So using these little brushes, I'm only going to be using 2 brushes basically because I just want to stick with what I got this month. So I'm going to go into the most neutralist shade that's in the palette, which is this shade right here, Dead in the Center. And we're just going to pick up that product and lay that literally all over our eyes, all the way up to the brow bone, just setting it down. It's going to be like a super simple look. This look is not going to be anything crazy. So this does have a pink undertone, and you could even just wash your eyes like this and just go. Like, that's actually a really nice tone. I thought it was going to be a little bit more neutral on camera, or in person, I should say. I have no idea what it's looking like on camera, honestly. I have no idea what I look like on camera, but we're gonna push through. I'm just building up that intensity because I don't know how the other colors are going to show, so honestly, we're just building it up. And that seems good to me, so I'm just going to clean off my brush. Then we're going to go into, not the lightest purple, we're not going to use this one, but we're going to go in with this shade up here. Not sure what shade that is, but we're using the same brush. And we're just going to plop that on there. And we're going to focus that in the crease area. Well, here's my, I'm bringing it up towards my brow bone. I'm not going any higher because I want that first shade to peek through. That actually is a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. Just cleaning off my brush, I'm going to go back into the first shade that we used, which is this shade right here. And we're just going to put that back onto the brow bone area just to make sure that that is a blend going on and that it's not just like purple madness. Cleaning off my brush again, we're going to go into the darker purple shade, which is this one right here. And we're gonna keep that in the outer crease area. Does that make sense? We're just gonna keep it right here. That's it. We're not going any higher, any lower. We're just focusing that right. So I'm just building up the intensity in this crease area. Again, I'm not going any farther than the center portion of the crease, and then I'm keeping it ever so slightly in the outer corner. I'm not seeing any fallout, which I'm actually quite impressed. All right, so that's really all the matte shades that we're gonna put down. So now we're gonna go into the shimmer shades, and I think I wanna use the pinky one. I'm gonna go in with the flat, dense brush that came with the BoxyCharm base box. I am gonna spray it, if I can find some spray. Okay. And I'm just gonna go into that pink shade, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna lay that. Ooh, okay. I feel like these should be with your finger. I'm just gonna go in with my pinky finger at this point. Yeah, the pinky versus those brushes works better, so you might need like a more flat brush or a more dense around. Maybe that brush was too not dense enough or whatever, but yeah, definitely with my finger I feel that fixed it in a sense, not that it was nothing wrong with it. And then I want to go in my inner corner. I'm going to use the concealer brush that I used earlier, and I'm going to go in dry, and I'm going to use that marble shade, which is that shade right there. And I just want to pack that on the inner corner like so, ever so slightly on the tear duct area. Yeah, I like that. That's super cute. I don't want to put anything on the bottom lash line because I feel that'd be a little bit too much for what. So I'm just going to go back in that first brush that we were using for all those colors. I'm going to clean it off really well. And I just want to buff here on the outer edges and kind of drag it down to the lower lash line just to help blend. And that's really all we're going to do for this look, you guys. I'll add eyeliner and maybe some lashes, but I might not even do that. So let me finish up my face and I'll come back with the finished look. Here is the finished look. I think it came out actually rather well. I used one of Laura Lee Los Angeles lippies in Topless, which is this pink shade right here. I'm not sure how everything's gonna be picking up on camera. In the viewfinder, everything looks fine, but we don't know. We don't know yet. We don't know yet, fingers crossed. So I really like the palette, you guys. I'm actually quite surprised with the way it performed. I never used Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, even though I did receive a mauve palette in a previous BoxyCharm box. I've never actually touched it. So I was, you know, quite pleased with the way it performed. So that wraps up this video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you received BoxyCharm and what did you get in this month's box. Do you think this month's box was just as good as last month? Do you think it could have been better? If you have not already, do not forget to sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.